Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be discussing the battery equivalent of the AG13 or LR44 watch battery. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below in case you want to purchase them. As you can see, you can find them online under different names. So you need to know the exact battery equivalents in order to have the exact watch battery that you need. These can be used, for example, for vintage Timex electric watches. They need a lot of energy, and that is why these are so big. So we can find them under AG13, LR44, and then we have CX44 and 357A. Now, something really important: when they were made by Timex or other watch brands, you can also find them under the name of 76A or A76. I'm also going to insert a picture so that you can go and have a look and pause it in order to know the exact watch battery type that you need. Here I have an example of the A76. As you can see, the exact thickness, so the exact same battery type, but instead of LR44 it writes A76. And one that I found in a vintage Timex watch is Timex Type AL. So you can also find it under this name, and it is going to be the AG13 watch battery type. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. As you can see, I have a bunch of watch battery types here on the watch table, and I'm going to make separate videos with each watch battery type and their equivalent. If you enjoy videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps a lot, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.